Hello friends, my name is Ketan Mehta and I am your math teacher. So this is my first video regarding how to study math. So the title is Tips for Success in Mathematics. So first I will tell you how to study math, and then we will start all the lectures slowly. Correct? So tips for success in mathematics. Now there are three sections. One is in class, how you prepare in class. Second is how you prepare at home. And third is how you prepare for the exam. Whether you are in class or you are at home, how you prepare for the exam. So today let us see the first one, how you study in class. Okay. Now there are several points. First, while you are in class, be very focused, be very focused in what teacher is saying. Listen carefully and concentrate yourself. So listen carefully to the teacher, be focused and concentrate. Second point is pay attention to the basic rules, basic definitions, basic formulas which teacher is explaining for doing the examples. Then while teacher is doing the examples, then be very careful and pay attention to the examples and how teacher is solving those examples, how teacher is explaining, what teacher is explaining, and be very clear about the final answer which teacher is writing, whether it is in fraction or it is in decimal. This is very important because sometimes they tell you in the exam that write your answer in 2 decimal place or write your answer in 1 decimal place or 3 decimal place. So then you have to follow those instructions. Suppose they don't write that you write your answer in 1 decimal, 2 decimal or 3 decimal place, then you always write your answer in fraction. Third point is whatever teacher is writing on the board, copy all those things in your notes. Copy how teacher is explaining in class, write down on the side of your notebook, and do this carefully with proper understanding. When you are paying attention, when you are focused, when you are concentrating, then uh, write all these things, all these notes with proper understanding. If you do not know, or if you cannot understand, then ask question to your teacher. Now sometimes we tend to be shy because we feel if we ask a question, how other people will feel. Will they criticize me? Will they make a joke on me? But I will say, do not be shy. If you have a doubt, just raise your hand and ask your teacher, and clear your doubt at the same time when teacher is explaining, because that will be very helpful. Because afterwards, when you are trying to solve all your doubts, it will take a lot of time at home because you will have to ask your friend or somebody at home. So in order to save those times, ask the question at the same time. Now this is very important because many of us, we sometimes we do not have pen or pencil. If we have pencil, we do not have a sharpened pencil. So I will say, be ready with the pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener and calculator, and sharpen your have pencils which are always sharpened. Before you go to the class, be ready with all those things, and see that your calculator is functioning well. Sixth point is write down all the formulas, rules, definitions. These are your basic things, and without this you will not be able to do all the examples. So this is very important. You write your basic rules, basic definitions and formulas. Be very efficient and energetic in the class, because sometimes we tend to be sleepy or we tend to be lazy in class, and when we are like that, we are not able to understand anything what teacher is writing on the board or explaining the examples. We cannot understand those things. So this is very important. Be very efficient and energetic in class. Also be very clear about the homework or the assignment and the project work teacher is giving you, because if you are not if you have not understood what is your homework, what is your assignment, what is your project work, you will not be able to do it. Also, be very careful that in what time limit you have to finish this, whether you have to finish in 1 hour sorry, in 1 hour or 1 day or 2-3 days or 1 week. So be very careful about the time limit what teacher is telling you. Ninth is, do all your work given by the teacher regularly, because sometimes many students do not do the homework regularly, and when they miss out on the homework, they will have poor result in the test, because then their preparation is not proper, and they are not fully prepared when they go for the exam. So this is very important. Do all your work given by the teacher regularly. Then pay attention to the special remarks teacher is telling you in the class. Sometimes while writing and explaining the example, teacher will give you certain points, certain things, or he or she will tell you certain remarks, and those things will be very important, because that tells you how to write the example, how to write your answer, in what format you will follow the steps of the examples, if you have to explain certain things on the side or in the steps. So be very careful about what teacher is telling you, because the teacher is going to check your examination paper. So this is how you prepare yourself in the class for math. In the next topic, in the next video, then we will see how you prepare yourself at home for studying mathematics. Okay, thanks.